Hi, to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S25, swipe up to enable app drawer and here find your settings. Now in settings, start scrolling down to find General Management tab. And after that, scroll a bit down again and find Reset. So before factory reset the phone, make sure that you did backup of your data if you don't want to lose it in the future. For that, you can find the section Backup Your Data and follow on-screen instructions. So you can backup it to a USB storage device or SD card. Or you can go in this tab Accounts and Backup, choose Backup Data, and perform backup for your Google Drive or Samsung Cloud right here. So after that, let's go back in General Management and tap on Reset. And right now we need to simply pick Factory Data Reset. And as you can see, all of the items will be deleted from the phone. So tap Reset, then draw your current pattern like that. And tap on this blue button to delete all. And that's it. Now the phone will turn off and just in a few moments it will turn back on and you will need to set it up again. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.